Hi, Back to Basics fam! Let's kick off our journey together with the basics and explore the wonderful world of flower piping. Today we're creating a warm summer orange bouquet cake, perfect for any celebrations. In this tutorial, we'll pipe dahlias, chrysanthemums, roses, and amaranthus, arranged beautifully on an off-white round cake. I'll guide you step by step, starting with the dahlia, then the rose, followed by amaranthus, and finishing with chrysanthemum. I've colored my flowers using electric pink and yellow to create the orange, and then blue to mute the tones, creating a range from soft peachy orange to bright yellow orange and deep oranges for variety. Let's start with dahlia. This flower is made by layering petals evenly around the center. We'll use piping tips 104, 59S, and 59 for this flower. I've also piped a smaller one with a 103 tip. Make sure to increase the angle to create a realistic looking flower. Next up, the rose. It's simple to pipe once you get the right angles and turns. Here, we're using a 124 tip for the larger rose and a 104 for smaller ones. Then comes the amaranthus. We'll use some pasta branches and a number 13 tip to pipe these flowers. They add lovely texture and movement to the bouquet. Finally, the chrysanthemum. We'll begin with a 52S tip, then switch to the 52 as the flower grows larger. Now that all flowers are piped, let's arrange them on an 8-inch cake. We'll start by piping the stems with a number 7 tip, then arrange the flowers from bottoms up. There's no specific way to arrange them, but I like to spread out the different color variations for a balanced look. Next, we'll carefully insert the amaranthus to add some dynamic texture. Finally, we'll add piped leaves, wafer leaves, and finish off with piping the ties on the stems. And here's our finished orange floral cake. I hope this inspires you to try it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe to our channel for more flower piping tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our beautiful creations. Until next time, happy piping everyone!